Hey, video number 2. So after she gives them the group code, she can add members to the group. I don't know what she would see because we don't know what she sees. And then she could start a group project here as well. So, PBL, 9th grade. She could put a description in. And then it doesn't look like they can do personal, but they can do collaborative and they can share. So the teacher could make a choice around creating, viewing, and editing a video from the project. And then this one is a step above, right? So they can create their own videos, but cannot view and edit other videos. A shared project media is available. So I would choose just collaborative if she wanted to get students being collaborative, and then they can go in and they can create a video. So they can go in and they can do a blank edit and they can start.